Hi guys, this is Mandeep and welcome to my video. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. May you achieve every success and every happiness you deserve in your life. And I'm very much excited to be back on YouTube again. So yeah, let's dive into something super inspiring, that is creating vision board for 2025. And yeah, let's set some big goals, spark some creativity and plan an incredible year ahead. Let's get started. So yeah, today we are going to create, actually I'm going to create my 2025 vision board. And yeah, I'm so much excited because मैंने इससे पहले कभी भी like vision board बनाया नहीं है and I have zero knowledge about that, but seeing my favorite creators doing this activity, and not only for 2025, they have been doing for like since like I think 21, 22, then 23, 24 and now 25. And now seeing them gives me a sort of motivation कि क्यों ना मैं भी इस साल अपना vision board बनाऊं. And I'm so much excited. So vision board is basically visualizing your dreams in front of you. You woke up and you see that images that are relatable to your dreams, gives you a sort of motivation and I think a sort of discipline to maintain them. So इसमें जो आपके goals होते हैं ना, they are not like कि मैं इस गोल को 10 साल के बाद अचीव करूँगा. लाइक यू हैव टू कीप गोल्स जो आप एक ईयर में अचीव कर सकते हो. लाइक इट कैन बी बिग एज लाइक बाइंग योर ओन कार, और इट कैन बी सिंपल एज लाइक being fit, going to gym, or maintain your peace. I have included every single goal and every single thing I want to achieve or I want to maintain in 2025. Yeah, the vision board is important. Like it's give you a sort of motivation, not motivation, it gives you discipline to maintain that goal throughout the year. So yeah, I have some of the images over with me. Let me show you. These are some of the images जो मैंने अपने विजन बोर्ड के लिए प्रिंट आउट निकलवाई हैं. लाइक आई हैव written down every single habit, every single goal I want to achieve in 2025. And then I open my favorite app, that is Pinterest, and then I have selected images that is relatable to my goal, and yeah, then printed it out. I think it's like 16 or 17 images, and it all include my visions, my goals and my habits that I want to achieve in 2025. And yeah, I have written everything down on a diary, every goal, every single detail about that, and then open my favorite app, that is Pinterest. I selected those photos, those images that is relatable to my goals. So yeah, I'm going to show you like one by one what is going to be included in my vision board. So I have I think it's like 16 or 17 images, and the very first one is this one. It is like 2025 is my year. Two reasons for this thing is reminding me that Mandeep, you have wasted your energy onto the wrong things in 2024. So yeah, definitely 2025 will be my year. And the second reason is that it is written 2025, so it gives me a motivation that it's now 2025 and you have to achieve your dreams, of course. So yeah, this is the number one image. So my second image is that it's very close to my heart and it's my dream to get fulfilled in 2025. So it's like a house. It's like I wanted to rebuild my house again, and yeah, it's so close to my heart actually, that this dream is so close to my heart. And chosen this photo because like it it has some of a vibe जो मेरे dream से मिलती है. Next is that this thing I want to achieve in 2024, but for some reasons I can't achieve this. I want to solo travel. I'm a huge fan of going alone by myself and traveling by myself only. So yeah, for the reason I chose this photo, that it's a quote over there. It is written that this is a reminder to never stop taking yourself on solo dates. So I love to go on, solo dates, and I want to achieve this in 2025. I've seen many creators doing this and vlogging their entire day and spending the time with themselves. So I so wanted to do this, guys. I'm not saying that I have to go in abroad by myself and घूम फिर के वापस आ जाऊँ. No, like it is simple as that. Ki I want to go, nearby coffee shop or going shopping by myself only, not with any friends or not with my parents. It's not like कि कोई मुझे टाइम नहीं देता घूमने को या मेरे साथ कोई जाता नहीं है, बट इट्स लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लोर समथिंग, आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लोर प्लेसेस, आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लोर द एक्सपीरियंस दैट हाउ इट फील टू बी go by yourself only and experience everything. I so wanted to do this. It's a quote, it's a nice quote that is focus on the good. So it reminds me that not going on the negative side, always looking on the positive side of anything. So sometimes me as a girl, सो कभी कभार ना मैं भी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं जो मैं बहुत ही नेगेटिव सोचती हूँ, बहुत ही नेगेटिव, बट या इट्स दिस कोड जस्ट रिमाइंड मी टू बी फोकस ऑन द गुड एंड टू लुक every positive side of every story. So yeah, this is the code. And guys, फोटो से ज़्यादा जो लाइक रियलिस्टिक गोल से ज़्यादा आई थिंक आई हैव कोड्स ऑन माई विजन बोर्ड. So this is the next image, that is consistency. It is written 3 times: consistency, consistency and consistency. So yeah, it reminds me to be consistent in my life, in my social life as well, in my personal life as well. So yeah, this gives you a sort of feeling to be consistent and be stand on a things. So the next image is like I so wanted to achieve this in like 2025 is like eat healthy. So it contains images. I don't want to eat this all, but it gives you a sort of motivation to eat healthy. I eat healthy, but उससे ज़्यादा मैं junk food and fast food खाती हूँ. I'm a foodie person, of course, so I love food, but I have to maintain my health also. So yeah, it gives you like eat fruits and a healthy breakfast and pani piyo. It gives a sort of motivation, like start eating healthy, Mandeep, start eating, and I will in 2025, of course. उससे मिलती जुलती एक और फोटो मैंने प्रिंट आउट निकलवाई है. आई डोंट नो वाई मैंने इसको अच्छी तरह कट नहीं किया, बट या स्टिल. सो इट इज रिटन दैट ईट गुड एंड फील गुड. सो या, आई विल ईट गुड एंड आई विल फील गुड, of course. Next is this thing that every girl can relate to achieve a healthy, good looking skin and healthy hairs. Like I'm very obsessed with my skin and obsessed in doing skincare and all that beauty rituals. Next thing is, it's again a quote, and it is fear nothing and trust no one. Fear nothing, it includes like not fearing from any negative situation and face everything, every situation, every experience with strength. Like trust no one is like literally trust no one. Like I have these 3 or 4 people in my life whom I trust blindly, but not everyone deserve this, and you should also remember this. So yeah, fear nothing and trust no one. This thing is on work on yourself for yourself. This is a small quote with a very big meaning for me. Like I've written this goal of mine, that to treat myself like a priority. And yes, this is work on yourself for yourself. Like अपने ऊपर काम करो, अपने आप को better बनाओ सिर्फ अपने खुद के लिए, not to impress anyone, not to impress any boy or not to impress any group of people, but to impress yourself, to feel better for yourself. So yeah, work on yourself for yourself. Okay, next thing is so close to my heart, and it includes all my passion, everything in this. And the people who know me knows that I so wanted to work and to be there in film production. So these are the images over here, and yeah, it feels so good to look at these images and I so wanted to do an internship in a film production, whether it can be of a week, a month, doesn't matter. But I so wanted to do this thing. It has to be in my 2025 vision board that I want to do internship in film production. I want to experience all these things. So next image is this. Let me explain you about this. It's like having to be more organized life in every aspect that I have written in my dream is to be organized in every aspect in my life, in my social life, throughout my career, or in my personal life. So it has I think a to-do list type notebook, and it helps you to simplify your task. And I have done this to do list activity type. And then here's the calendar over there. It gives a sense of keeping a track of your progress and managing everything nicely. Okay, coming to the last image of my vision board, and this is the thing I want to do in 2025 is this piercing. I've been obsessed with piercings and tattoos, but my parents don't allow me for tattoos for now. And yeah, for the piercing I have the permission, so I have this one piercing on the both ears, and I also wanted to have two more or three more piercings. And I'm so gonna do this in 2025 for sure. So these are all the images I'm going to put on my vision board, and I'm going to paste these images on a cardboard sheet type thing and going to paste it on the wall of my room. So whenever I woke up, I have these images and I have the sort of thinking that I want to achieve this all. Vision board is not like कि तुम बैठे रहो, तुम वो paste कर दो images and वो wall पे चिपका दो and you was like कि magic क्यों नहीं हो रहा, क्या हुआ मेरी life में कुछ. No, it's not like that. First of all, you have to take that steps. You have to be that hardworking to achieve these all. These are all for sort of things that you have to achieve, a sort of motivation, a sort of discipline. These images are for only to give you that mentality to be disciplined, to be on that path, to be on the right path, that you are going to achieve that goals for yourself only, right? So it takes hard work, it takes your time and takes the patience to achieve this all. You know what, when you are achieving something or when you're doing something, those experiences are for a lifetime. जो आप एक goal को achieve करना चाहते हो, I know that it takes your patience, it takes your hard work, it takes many things, but those experiences are for the lifetime and it gives you so many lessons throughout your journey. So yeah, I'm so much excited for the year 2025, and this was all about my vision board. So I'm so much excited to see all the goals and dreams get unfold throughout the year. And thank you so much for watching the video. So this was all about my vision board. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.